In this video, we're diving into the top 5 Sous Vide machines for 2025. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, these devices will help you elevate your cooking game to new heights. Let's break down what makes each of these machines stand out and find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. Inkbird ISV 200 Watt Sous Vide. The Inkbird Sous Vide cooker offers powerful performance with a heating power of 1000 watts, ensuring your water reaches the perfect temperature quickly. It's built with durable stainless steel components, which not only provide strength, but also guarantee longevity and reliability over time. This immersion circulator works with an input voltage of 120 volts, alternating current for the United States, and 220 to 240 volts alternating current for Europe, the United Kingdom, and Australia. With a precise temperature control range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows you to cook your food to perfection every time. The temperature accuracy is remarkable, with only a 1 degree Fahrenheit variation or 0.1 degrees Celsius, ensuring your meals are cooked exactly how you like them. One of the most exciting features is the built-in timer, which can be set for up to 99 hours and 59 minutes, letting you focus on other tasks while the Inkbird does the work. Additionally, it connects to your smartphone via the Inkbird Pro application and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, letting you monitor and control your cooking from anywhere. Using this Sous Vide cooker is easy. Simply attach the device to your pot, fill it with water, seal your food in a bag, submerge it, set your temperature and time, and let it cook. The Inkbird Sous Vide cooker makes cooking perfectly tender meats and flavorful vegetables effortless. Number 4. Just Buy 8th Generation Sous Vide Cooker. The Just Buy 8th Generation Sous Vide cooker offers a sleek stainless steel design and a powerful motor with a remarkable 1,800 watts. Operating at a voltage of 220 volts, it is perfect for serious cooking enthusiasts who want to take their meals to the next level. This immersion circulator has a maximum temperature of 95 degrees Celsius and ensures precise temperature stability within plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius. This level of accuracy is essential for sous vide cooking, allowing you to cook your food to perfection while preserving all its natural flavors and nutrients. With a full touchscreen control, you can easily adjust both the temperature and time directly on the real LCD screen. For added convenience, you can also control the settings using the Tuya Smart application on your smartphone, allowing you to monitor and adjust your cooking from anywhere in your home. Safety is a priority with this cooker, as it features an IPX7 waterproof certification to prevent steam from entering the device. Additionally, the cooker is equipped with safety protection and temperature alarms for peace of mind during use. One of its standout features is the advanced heating sheet technology, which allows for faster heating, precise temperature control, and enhanced safety. Whether cooking chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, or pork, this Sous Vide cooker is perfect for creating meals that retain maximum health benefits and nutrition. Number 3. BALASHOV Vacuum Sous Vide. The BALASHOV Sous Vide cooker is equipped with a powerful heating element, offering a maximum load power of 1,800 watts. It operates on a rated voltage of 220 to 240 volts for European plugs or 110 to 120 volts for United States plugs, making it versatile for different regions. This immersion circulator is designed for bath sizes ranging from 6 to 15 liters. With a motor power of 1,100 watts and a temperature range from 0 degrees Celsius to 99.9 degrees Celsius, it ensures precise cooking results every time. The temperature stability of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius guarantees consistent performance for perfect dishes. Operating the BALASHOV Sous Vide cooker is easy thanks to its one-click start feature, making the process simple and quick. The intelligent digital display and touchscreen control panel allow for effortless adjustments, while the hidden backlight ensures the settings are visible even in low light. Sous Vide cooking preserves the nutrients and natural juices of your food, delivering tender and flavorful results every time. Whether cooking steak, salmon, or chicken breast, this cooker is ideal for various ingredients and culinary explorations. Safety features include high temperature detection, anti-dry burning mechanisms, and leakage protection. The water level reminder ensures that the water depth is adequate, preventing potential issues. The advanced three-dimensional water circulation heating technology guarantees even cooking and temperature stability for exceptional slow-cooked meals. Number 2. BioloMix Vacuum Sous Vide. The BioloMix 2.55 generation Sous Vide cooker features a sleek design with an impressive IPX7 waterproof rating, ensuring both durability and safety in your kitchen. This immersion circulator provides precise cooking results, with temperature accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent, perfect dishes every time. With a temperature control range from 0 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, it is versatile enough to cook a variety of ingredients. Whether it's beef, chicken, pork, vegetables, seafood, eggs, or even chocolate, the BioloMix Sous Vide cooker can handle it all, making it an essential tool for any culinary enthusiast. This cooker guarantees professional results right at home. Thanks to its precise control, you no longer need to worry about overcooking or undercooking your food. You can cook like a chef in the comfort of your kitchen. The BioloMix Sous Vide cooker is also designed for easy use, with one-handed operation. Simply clamp the device to your container, fill it with water, add your food in a sealed bag, and you're ready to start cooking. With a powerful heating capacity of 1,200 watts and a flow rate of 12 liters per minute, it heats water quickly and ensures even cooking. The three-dimensional circulator heating system operates quietly, providing a calm and efficient cooking experience. Cleaning is also easy thanks to its waterproof design and removable stainless steel skirt. Number 1. Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine. The Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine features an IPX7 waterproof design, ensuring its durability during extended cooking sessions. This fully waterproof construction allows you to enjoy sous vide cooking without worrying about water damage, making it more reliable than previous models. Equipped with a 3D water circulation heating function, this machine guarantees even heating throughout the cooking process. This helps preserve the original flavors and juices of your food, whether you are preparing steak, chicken, or vegetables, ensuring perfect results every time. One of the most impressive features of the Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide machine is its remote control capability. With a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, you can easily create, monitor, and optimize your cooking from your smartphone no matter where you are. The accompanying smart application even offers multiple United States Department of Agriculture recommended cooking recipes, making it easy to prepare impressive meals, even for beginners. Achieving culinary perfection is simple with its precise temperature control of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature range spans from 0 to 90 degrees Celsius or 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine also includes a temperature calibration function for accurate readings and control. With 1,000 watts of power, this Sous Vide cooker heats up quickly and evenly. You can set a cooking schedule via the app, and the machine will notify you when your meal is ready, ensuring you enjoy your food at its best. There you have it, the 5 best Sous Vide machines for 2025. Whether you're looking for precision, ease of use, or cutting-edge features, These options have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more reviews and tips. Happy cooking